You know Cerave for our skin, right? But now they have a hair care line and they gifted it to me. So that is what we are going to see today. Now, that's hilarious. And then they have this shirt, no more dandruff. Oh, on the back, this is what it says. This is cute. They sent me over 4 products, starting with we're gonna start with the anti-dandruff shampoo, and they also sent over the conditioner. Okay, now this does not say suitable for all hair types on the back. So that's one thing that I noticed, is that it does not state that. However, it does say it is suitable for color treated hair. So maybe that's one thing that might be a little off-putting, because it doesn't say for all hair types, and that's something that they will probably be working on and continuing to develop, especially because you don't see a lot of black people with dandruff. Not a lot. Like, I've seen them, like my son, he sometimes has dandruff, so that's why I'm like, you know, we're gonna see about that, because I'm gonna use it on him on his next wash day, just to see, because he has a mild case of dandruff, and it's only when there's like product buildup and he doesn't like actually properly wash his hair. Then it's just like, oh my god, dude, like what the heck, we talked about this. But for me, I'm really excited to try the other line that they brought, which is the Gentle Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. Now on the back, it definitely does say for what all hair types, like, so here it definitely specifies for all hair types on both the on the shampoo and the conditioner. It also specifies the hyaluronic acid, excuse me, I don't know how to say it, but hyaluronic acid. And just, so the same benefits, just different specificity. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to try this out. So I will be trying this out for the next wash day, as just because I was gifted these things doesn't mean that I can't be honest with you guys. So I will be honest and let you guys know how I feel about this. So when it comes down to wash day, our next wash day will definitely be with Cerave, letting you know how I feel about the Gentle Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. So yeah, thank you Cerave for sending and gifting me these products, and I will see you all, my audience, in the next video. Bye.